Welcome to the History of Science series. Today's story begins not with a grand observatory or a royal commission, but in the quiet backyard of a self-taught astronomer, patiently surveying the night sky. William Herschel was born in 1738 in Germany and trained as a professional musician. After moving to England, he earned his living as an organist and composer. Yet music was not his only passion. In his spare time, Herschel became fascinated with astronomy, teaching himself mathematics, optics, and the art of telescope making. Unable to afford large instruments, he ground and polished his own mirrors by hand, building telescopes that soon rivaled the best in Europe. In the late 1700s, Herschel was conducting systematic surveys of the night sky. Unlike many astronomers of his time, who focused on known stars and planets, Herschel searched for the unfamiliar, objects that appeared slightly fuzzy, displaced, or unusual. His careful eye was trained to notice the smallest deviation from expectation. On the night of March 13, 1781, while observing the constellation Gemini, Herschel noticed a star that did not look quite right. It appeared as a small disk rather than a sharp point of light. At first, he assumed it was a comet. Over the following nights, he tracked its motion and found that it moved differently from any known star. Further observations revealed something remarkable. The object followed a nearly circular path around the sun, unlike the elongated orbit of a comet. Astronomers across Europe soon confirmed Herschel's finding. What he had discovered was not a comet at all, but an entirely new planet, one located far beyond the orbit of Saturn. It was the first planet discovered since ancient times. For thousands of years, only 5 planets were known to the naked eye. Uranus shattered that ancient boundary and dramatically expanded the known size of the solar system. Overnight, the architecture of the heavens had changed. Herschel initially proposed naming the star Georgium Sidus, or George's Star, in honor of George III, the British monarch. While the name did not endure, the royal connection brought Herschel something equally valuable: financial support. The king granted him a pension, allowing Herschel to leave his music career behind and devote himself fully to science. The discovery of Uranus marked a turning point in astronomy. It showed that the solar system extended far beyond what had long been assumed, and that careful observation, aided by improved instruments, could reveal entirely new worlds. Herschel's success also demonstrated the power of systematic sky surveys, an approach that remains central to modern astronomy. In the years that followed, Herschel went on to discover moons, catalog thousands of nebulae and star clusters, and helped reveal the structure of the Milky Way. Yet the discovery of Uranus remains his most famous achievement, a moment when a quiet observer scanning the heavens from his backyard permanently altered humanity's understanding of the cosmos. What makes the discovery especially striking is its origin. Herschel did not set out to find a planet. He was simply observing carefully, questioning what he saw, and refusing to dismiss any anomaly. In doing so, he reminded science of a timeless lesson. The universe often reveals its greatest secrets to those who look patiently and closely. Thank you for watching another episode of the History of Science series. If you'd like to explore William Herschel's life and discoveries in greater depth, my short biography, The Astronomer William Herschel, is available on Amazon. A link is in the description, and thank you for watching.